Recently, two names, Miyas and Cher Chaporis, are in news. Who are Miyas? Why they are in news? You might get a prelims question. What is Cher Chapori? Or where is Cher Chapori? Or who are Miyas? Miyas are Bengali speaking Muslim population living in the Cher Chapori region. In fact, there is a debate whether Miyas are proper Indians or they are illegal migrants. Recently, Miya culture is in news as the Cher Chapori local MLA was asking and demanding to build a Miya museum in Assam. Miyas have a distinct culture according to him, and their cultural identity should be maintained. So he is asking to have a museum with respect to Miyas. And the local people in Assam, particularly Assamese and Assam government, they have the opinion that Miyas are illegal migrants and there is no point in building a separate museum for Miyas as they don't have any separate culture. In fact, Miyas have come and settled down in Cher Chapori region long back, and their culture is almost integrated into Assamese culture. Whatever their distinct identity or whatever their distinct cultural habits, they wanted to have their own recognition. As you all know, in Article 29 of the Indian Constitution, any section of citizens residing in any part of the country having distinct language, script or culture shall have the right to conserve the same. First of all, to get that right to conserve our language or culture, we should be proper Indians. Whether Miyas are proper Indians or not, itself is a big question now here. There is a martial art separately for Miyas which is really important for them. That is Lati Bari. It's a martial art for Miyas. They used to do that in festival seasons. And Miyas also have different festivals and cultures. Particularly, there was a separate YouTube channel by Mi Chang with respect to Miya culture. There is a separate YouTube channel run by a man called Mi Chang to promote Miya culture and to show their distinct identity. And what is Cher Chapori? What is Char? C-H-A-R, Char, C-H-A-P-O-R-A. Cher Chaporis are the northeastern states riverine islands. Northeastern states riverine islands. An island surrounded by a river is called a riverine island. And Cher Chaporis in northeastern region, the riverine islands are surrounded by the river called Brahmaputra and its tributaries. Brahmaputra and its tributaries. And Miya community is a majority community living in the Cher Chapori region. And apart from Miya community, there are other communities also who are residing in Cher Chapori region. There are some other communities who are residing, but majority community is Miya community. The other communities who are residing in Cher Chapori region are Nepalis, Missings, M-I-S-I-N-G-S, Missings or Missings, Deoris, D-E-O-R-I-S, Kocharis, K-O-C-H-A-R-I-S. And the Congress MLA in Cher Chapori region is proposing a museum in Gauhati in the premises of Srimanta Sankaradeva Kalakshetra. And Assam government is not at all having an idea to have such museum in Kalakshetra. Kalakshetra is very important to promote Assamese culture, which is located in Gauhati, which have documented cultural things in Assam. But the government is saying that there is no idea of promoting Miya culture through Kalakshetra. And here the issue comes whether Miyas are locals or outsiders. Now, from long back, Miyas are residing in Assam and other riverine islands in Cher Chaporis. Now the question is, are Miyas a part of India or Miyas are outsiders? Now, it seems that this entire discussion have actually annoyed Miya community. And they are saying that we are living in Assam from many years, we have become a part of Assam culture, but now we wanted to maintain some aspects because Miyas have different songs with respect to agriculture, with respect to boating, with respect to rivers, particularly harvesting, different boating festivals, and Mias also sing songs, different distinct songs with respect to river Brahmaputra. So they want to have their own cultural identity. Though as a part of Assamese, they wanted to have their maintain their own cultural identity, and they wanted to make their culture to survive for a long time. For that reason, Mias wanted to have this Mia Museum, but government and Assamese local Assamese are saying Mias don't have any district culture, and they are not actually a part of India. Some are saying that they are part of illegal migrants who are residing in India. They are illegal migrants from Bangladesh. So all these things are because there were elections in the next few months in Assam, and this have become an electoral issue, and vote bank politics also are erupting in that. Vote bank politics means the local MLA wanted to get the support from church chaporis, who are majority of them are Miyas. Even this is very important. And ministers belonging to the Assam, they are saying there is no separate identity and culture in Cherchapol region of Assam, as most of the people have migrated from Bangladesh. Most of the people have migrated from Bangladesh. Assam government till now is very clear that in Kalakshetra there won't be any Mia museum. Let's see how the things are going to unturn in future with respect to Mia museum.